name is Caitlin Pitts, and I have the privilege of discussing the blueprint for goal setting with you. This presentation is for Quid 101 with Dr. Sheffer. This blueprint will provide you with a guide when making and achieving goals. It is a helpful tool to refer back to throughout the goal setting process. As I go throughout this presentation, I will focus more on weekly goal setting. However, this blueprint can be utilized for any goals you aspire to reach. The first step in goal setting is to commit. Commit a regular, scheduled time to establish your goals for the upcoming week. This should be in a quiet, relaxing setting where you can really focus and consider the goals you hope to achieve that week. Once you are in the appropriate setting, you will then start writing your goals down. Start by writing down whatever may cross your mind and as they come to you. After doing this initial brainstorming, you will want to prioritize the goals in order of what is most important to other items that could be more optional. For example, list them in order as items that you must do, followed by important items, and ending with the less important items. This will help you keep focused as you go throughout the week, wondering which items to accomplish next. It is also important to utilize the SMART approach when prioritizing these goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and within a dedicated time frame. The third step to goal setting is to break them down. By breaking down larger goals into smaller goals, they become more manageable and can be achieved in shorter time frames. A good way to do it is to create a daily to-do list. Additionally, breaking goals down into smaller tasks allows you to feel more accomplished toward reaching the bigger end goal. It is more productive and helps to keep the end product in sight. Step 4 is time management. Managing your time wisely while setting and achieving goals is vital. Establishing that achievable deadline focuses your attention, concentration, and creative energies. It is also helpful to only work on one goal at a time and to cross off each item on a list as you achieve them. A goal-setting diary is a great tool to managing your time and tracking your continual progress. The fifth step is to evaluate, which is often a step that is underutilized. As you go throughout each week, stop to evaluate your progress regularly and positively. Having a positive, optimistic attitude while considering your progress helps you focus your energy on what you have achieved rather than what you have left to do. A good way to maintaining that positive outlook is through self-affirmation and words of encouragement. This doesn't mean there won't be setbacks, but adopting a positive attitude will help mitigate the chances of setbacks breaking you into giving up when they arise. Step 6 lists the values that achieving your goals rest upon, which are commitment, persistence, and self-discipline. Putting those values into place will help you to push through the setbacks that will arise. Simply put, Step 6 means that you will commit to never give up, regardless of any hurdles. It is important to remember that quitters never win and winners never quit. The seventh and final step in this blueprint is to reward yourself. Reward yourself regularly to celebrate the small victories along the way. This will provide you with breaks and help with maintaining that positive energy. It has been proven that smaller but sooner incentives outperform larger and later rewards. As I conclude this presentation, I implore you to take the time to ask yourself these questions and reflect how you will implement this blueprint into your goal-setting strategies. How do you prioritize goals for success? In what ways can you feel more accomplished toward reaching your goals? What time management skills can you develop to reaching your goals? What self-affirmations will help you stay positive? What values are rested upon achieving your goals? And when and how would you reward yourself to feel most successful? I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this presentation. If you would like to learn more about some of the steps in more detail, please refer to the references listed